मेरे हिसाब से जिस दिन आपको लगेगा कि आप टैलेंटेड हैं, उस दिन आप खत्म हो जाते हैं. I really believe.
Wait, our last question.
Shahrukh here.
Just one second. There's a gentleman here who's been waiting to ask a question. One of the most familiar faces that we've seen in the media. Sir,
I'll do most of them. We'll do.
Okay, one more.
We'll override meaning. Okay.
Here in the last.
Hold on.
Thank you. Good evening, sirs. Thank you very much.
Namaskar.
Well, everybody has said something and bits and pieces. We have this talent, and I just have to say something that you could have been, and you are. What we have seen right now is the talent what you have could have got Oscars anyway, awards at the level of Oscars, because you can come around and orate to any audience at any level. I mean, I don't mean to say just for the sake of saying it, but if we've seen it just now, we have seen it everywhere, that this is the talent which is unbeatable, next of course to your acting maybe. So
yeah, actually the speech is ready. I just need to act well enough to make it to the Oscars.
This is
My speech will be awesome. I'm telling you. I've written it.
Hi.
Just need to act
The
as well.
lady who we cut off, and that's our last question.
Shahrukh, to your right.
The last.
How do so many people have mics in the audience?
Shahrukh, to your right. Shahrukh, I have two questions for
The
you.
lady there. Okay. The lady there.
मैं सब कर दूंगा. मैं जल्दी कर दूंगा.
Hi.
फटाफट कर
This
दूंगा.
question for Mr. Raj. Sir, in the last, Ranjana here from Adgali. Hi. So first of all, congratulations for the new property. I just want to know, the show itself looks so appealing. You've got advertisers on board, or still you guys are working on it?
No, it's going to be advertised. I know that for a week from now, the tickets are going to start being sold. And one thing we've decided, we want to make it successful. We want to make more and more people to watch it. बता दूंगा वो भी. But and one of the briefs that we have is try and price it so well so that more and more people can come for the event. And a show of this magnitude, we don't have to go to advertisers, they'll be lining up.
So is there any name which has been confirmed yet?
It's
that
a
you
little
can share?
premature, we have just announced the show.
Cool, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We'll keep you posted. Yes, the gentleman in the
Shahrukh
pink
here.
shirt here.
Shahrukh,
Wait, okay, here.
Okay, meaning we'll take them all quickly.
Okay, we'll take you
I'll do shorter answers.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
no,
Yes.
maybe.
Shahrukh, two questions. One is, will Colors end up bagging the television rights of Happy New Year?
Say it again, huh?
Will Colors end up backing the television rights of Happy New Year?
They've offered me $275 million. I've said no, I want more.
Okay, second question. We are talking about talent. We saw a new brave talent of Mr. Amir Khan today. Have you seen the posters? What do you have to say? And do you think nudity has come of age?
All right,
in
we'll
Bollywood?
just take
You're saying
questions
it to
with the
me.
property.
Don't go there and say that's a talent, okay?
Yes, the gentleman here, he's been wanting to ask a question for a long time. Somebody give him a mic, please. Right here.
इसे चिल्ला दे. शुक्रिया आपको भी. How it feels? Well, I'll just tell you one second. Ooh. Especially the front part and all. Oh, my God. I am so turned on. I'll end this press conference right here, right now.
All right. Thank you so
I'll
much.
hug you a little bit
Just
later.
one last question from the gentleman in the safari cap, right there. So that's a cool cat. आदमी अपने टैलेंट को कब पहचानता है?
मेरे हिसाब से जिस दिन आपको लगेगा कि आप टैलेंटेड हैं, उस दिन आप खत्म हो जाते हैं. I really believe this. मैं बहुत genuinely बोल रहा हूँ और बहुत seriously बोल रहा हूँ कि जब आदमी अपने आप में मुब्तला होने लग जाता है कि मुझको ये आता है, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. मैं 20-22 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. ठीक ठाक है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, ख़राब है, सही भी हो जाता है, बहुत टाइम पर ठीक पड़ जाता है. लेकिन अभी भी जब मैं खड़ा होता हूँ पहला सीन करने के लिए नई फिल्म में, तो मेरे जो घुटने हैं वो कांपते हैं. The day I feel I can go on a set, and I'm talking about personal experience, the day I can go and see I can break the 100-meter record, even for Usain Bolt. And I'm speaking of people that I've read about, and they all have the same thing. The fact that you don't understand your own talent, I think is the most beautiful space to be talented. The day you understand your talent and you think you're talented, then it's just a commodity that you're selling. So I think the best way to live life is not know what is special about you and remain ordinary as you are. तालियां बजाओ क्योंकि आप सफारी से.
True words have never been spoken.
ये बहुत बड़ी बात की है मैंने. तालियां बजाएं सब.
All right, the last question from you, and you're special, right?
क्या होगा?
अच्छा अब आप ही पूछिए, ये बुलंद आवाज हमें बहुत पसंद आई, आप ही पूछिए, कम ऑन। नहीं नहीं, आपकी आवाज हमें सुनाई दे रही है, कम ऑन, गो फॉर इट।
अगर आपकी आवाज उन लड़की जैसी है तो नहीं सुन सकता, उनको बोलो। अभी तो अच्छी खासी साउंड कर रही थी वो।
Okay, just tell us your question.